warning for Delta County in north central Texas, Hopkins County in north central Texas, Hahn County in north central Texas, Rains County in north central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the public reported flooding by thunderstorms across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: public reported. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Greenville, Sulphur Springs, Commerce, Roy City, Farmersville, Cooper, West Tawakoni, World City, Quinlan, Caddo Mills, Emory, East Tawakoni, Point, Celeste, Cumbie, Como, Campbell, Hawk Cove, Brashear, and Lake Sulphur Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.